Vice President Constantino Chiwenga has strongly distanced himself from a controversial flyer circulating on social media, which claims he will headline a business dinner alongside embattled businessman KUTYA Tagwirei and other high-profile government officials. Sabina mashoko buda pangwa ine Chiwenga chi disown Tagwirei to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina panapa muzim aimobra mchinzi. The flyer boldly advertising a multi-planet business dinner scheduled for 25 July 2025 at the Rainbow Hotel in Bulawayo. Features images of President mnangagwa, Chiwenga, and several cabinet ministers, as well as Tagwirei as a supposed guest speaker. The event is branded as part of a Vision 2030 initiative under the theme Empowering Zimbabwe's Future. But Chiwenga's office has swiftly disowned the event, denouncing the poster as fake and dismissing any links between Vice President and the organizers. In quotes, the Office of Honorable Vice President General Retired Dr. CGD and Chiwenga disassociates itself from the event, which has nothing to do with the government, blatantly violates government protocols, and goes against established organizational norms, read a statement issued Thursday. Chiwenga also warned the public against falling victim to what he described as a fraudulent pseudo-event aimed at exploiting his image for personal gain. While the Vice President's reaction may appear to be routine distancing from a fake event, insiders view it as a reflection of long-standing tensions within the ruling ZANU-PF party, particularly Chiwenga's frosty relationship with politically connected businessmen like Tagwirei, who are seen as mnangagwa allies. KUTYA Tagwirei, often referred to as one of the Queen Bee oligarchies, rose to prominence during mnangagwa's tenure, amazing wealth and state contracts through making dealings in fuel, mining, and agriculture. His opaque business empire has drawn scrutiny from international bodies, with the U.S. Department of the Treasury placing him under sanctions in 2020 for alleged corruption and state capture. Domashoko aripo pangwa ine pamsoro penawo aiwa anokwanzwa vipi Constantino Chiwenga kuzvidistansa from Zvingananda. Pinangome section medu dzamafunguro eni matikudi pamsoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.